Hello everyone and welcome to this week's vlog, which today looks at video hosting platforms and which one might be right for you. And in this day and age, we see two platforms that are used more than any other for hosting your content, and they are Vimeo and YouTube. Now on the surface, they both appear to do the same job, which is allow you to upload video content somewhere and then share that as a link to someone to have a look at. But there are key differences in them that can really help or hinder depending on what you're wanting to achieve. So, starting with YouTube, the most widely known video hosting and sharing platform out there, and helped in no small way by the fact that it is owned by Google. So when you do a search for content on Google, it's no surprise that any video content related to your search term that's on YouTube will likely appear in the results somewhere. Now, with the billions of hours of content that are out there, it may well be on page 10 or 100, but it will be out there. And many of us now use YouTube as a search engine itself, where we specifically want to watch content rather than read something. We type it in YouTube and see what it shows us. So far, so good. In fact, so far so brilliant. At home now, we rarely watch conventional TV, and instead we'll see what's on YouTube first, and we've subscribed to loads of great creators that we all love watching. And YouTube love that too, as they want you on their platform, as that builds communities and brands and vitally builds advertising revenue. Now, the challenge with using YouTube to host content as a player on your website is that YouTube don't want you on someone else's website. They want you on YouTube, which is why it's really easy to go from watching something on a company website and then the next minute you've clicked the little YouTube badge on the player and you're soon going down a YouTube wormhole looking at funny cat videos, to take an example at random. Also, if you search for brilliant video production company, we would hope, if the content's tagged up correctly, that you'd find video content from us at Bigtank. However, if all the other brilliant video production companies out there also tag their content up in the same way, it'll show you their results as well, so you can see the challenge. And here lies the difference as we move over to Vimeo. Now, Vimeo Pro that we use is a paid for service that allows you to upload content and have it visible on your website, but without any Vimeo branding, any share links or outward links at all. Now, whilst this means it's not ideal in that setup for building communities and creating followers in the way YouTube works, it is brilliant at keeping people on your website. We use Vimeo on our own site to host all of our videos, so that when our SEO and other marketing activities have done the job of bringing someone to our website, we want to keep them there as much as we can and not tempt them away with outward linking buttons that will immediately see them off the site and into funny cat heaven. So, in a nutshell, if you're building a community that you want to entertain, teach and reach, YouTube is perfect. But if you want to bring people to your own website and keep them there, use Vimeo. As ever, we love getting your comments and questions on all of our topics, so if you've had a good, bad or amazing experience using any video channels, please share your views, as just like you guys, we're always learning too. Thank you so much for watching, and wherever you are in the world, stay safe, and we hope you have a brilliant day.